Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can enable the hidden columns on Excel. So for that you need to open up Excel, and after that just select one or more columns on Excel and then press Ctrl in order to select any additional columns that are not adjacent to your selected columns. And after that just right click, and then you will find this option of hide, and just click on it, and you will be able to hide the columns. And when you want to unhide these columns, then you can just simply click on the adjacent columns for the hidden columns, and then just right click on the selected columns, and you will find this option of unhide. Just click on it and your columns will be unhidden. And the other option is that you can always find two lines on the top. Just double click on those lines and you will be able to unhide or hide the columns. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.